Hey there Titans, welcome to Form Titan Basics. In this video we'll do a quick overview on the table format options. So let's add a table. So we're gonna go to the Form Titan add info word and hit insert table, and we're gonna select our object, let's say account, and put a comment in, and let's select the field, let's say name, and this will be SLA and that will be type. And let's take a look at the format options. So we'll map in the field, account name, and we'll hit the format. The first option is done, so we'll leave it as it is. Another option is lowercase, so let's select that one. For the account name, let's grab the SLA, and we'll say you have uppercase first, capitalize. Let's just do uppercase, and this is rather simple. And let's do type. And you have the we did the capitalize. The image is for if you bring in a URL from Salesforce that contains an image, then you need to tell Form Titan that it's an image. So you select in the format an image. So let me see if I have an image here. Let's see if I have photo URL, and we'll do photo. And we have a separate video on this as well, but let's try and do this now. So we'll tell Form Titan that's an image, and Form Titan will open the settings, the image settings, so you can select the width and height. So let's do 200 by 200 and keep aspect ratio, so we'll make the picture look nice. And our last option is let's map in some field. Let's do the type here, and last format option is remove margins. Now remove margins, what it does is when you select a rich text, and in the rich text field from Salesforce, and in the rich text you have margins in the CSS, and you don't want them to reflect onto the word, then you will select remove margins, and Form Titan will remove these margins automatically. So let's see what we get. We'll insert the table, and let's refresh our filters, and let's set up a filter, and I'll say bring everything, limit by 50. Let's do 500, and I'll save my condition. So we'll get all the accounts I have in Salesforce into that table, and I'll hit preview, and we can see our formats. Let's take a look if we have an image, and here is our image, and this is how it's done.